TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 94. You get the Nasdaq up 30. S&Ps are up 9.5. Gold contracts flat at $1,200 even. You have the silver contract also flat, $17 even. Platinum's up $5.53, trading at $9.64 an ounce. We have copper up a penny at $2.62 a pound. Light sweet crude caught a bid. That's up $1.22, trading at $52.59 a barrel. Notes: the 10-year note down 10 ticks, 123.28. 30-year bond off 29 ticks, 150.05. Now, both notes and bonds, folks, have got crushed the last 2 days. Volume was light. They both are into their strength right now. We'll see how they handle the strength, meaning do they reject lower price out here today? The volume continues to be light. We'll see whether if they don't reject lower price, you're going to have a lower bond and a lower note. I suspect what we're going to see out here later today is that you're going to reject lower price, and in fact, they want higher price, lower yield. King dollar. King dollar right now is up 76 ticks, 101.220. Now, a King dollar has set up a very large ABC structure on the way down. Your price projection on this is in the 98s. You know, we'll see how it handles the B point. What you have had out here this morning, as we did yesterday, couldn't handle higher price. Got up 700 ticks yesterday, ended up a couple hundred ticks this morning. Was up 200 to 300 ticks. Couldn't handle that price either. Coming back down, I expect all day long you're going to see pressure on King dollar into lower prices. Euro. The euro is at 106, and the yen is trading at 115.14. We get over and we take a look at the S&Ps. What you have with the SPY is this. SPY out here yesterday had light volume. You did 14. You're doing 14 million shares out here today. Yesterday we did 66 million. That baby is going into 142. So what you can see out here today, I do expect we're going to test out the 227.40 level. We've hit 227.31 thus far. We're going to take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials are up 94 points. You're at 19,828. And the Dow Industrials, they had a slight expansion of volume on the way down. So the Dow Industrials are basically saying that they're building cause for the way down. If the Dow closes under 19,824 today, bottom line, that's setting up lower prices, and I expect what you're going to see is 19,558, which is the high of December 7th. We have option expiration today, so you can expect the volatility to continue. We have the inauguration at noon. That's going to throw some volatility into the market. The comp, NASDAQ comp, got to a price point out here this morning of 55.74. 55.71 is the number to look at. It looks to me like the market has already hit the highs for the day. Now, one of the biggest developments yesterday was the NDX 100. That failed on price, failed on volume, and we're retesting that area this morning. The high of yesterday was 123.65. It closed out at 122.98. You did 12.7 million shares. That was going into 16.9, which in itself was dramatically light volume. If we go over to the good old King dollar, what we have with King dollar out here is King dollar got to a price point yesterday, and I suspect that's the C point of the ABC structure on the way down. It was 101.710. Right now you're at 101.195. Your C point on this is 100.238. I expect it's going to make a run after that level. We go take a look at the gold contract. What do you have with gold? Bottom line, gold doesn't want, you can't drive gold into lower price. 11.98 has been the low overnight. We're at 12.01 right now. You get a sideways move. Gold is in an ABC structure on the way up. Then gold looks like it wants to run to this 12.58 area. Notes. We go take a look at the note market. What we have with notes is this. Notes are right into their strength, and we'll see whether it rejects the 124.03 area. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you each and every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051 or visit everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Have a great weekend. Look forward to speaking right back here Monday morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.